All right, out for a little drive at my grandfather's homestead. Going to do a little bit of moving around of the lumber. Doing a bunch of post Fiona cleanup, trying to make things look a little pretty around the property. It's much needed. My father's on vacation this week, so I thought, hey, I got a day off. Let's go back and play in the woods and make a video. So I got the drone up in the air somewhere, following me in the truck. I love this place. I love the old homestead way out in the countryside. I'm hoping we get into the actual woods. Right now, we're just gonna be cleaning up a bunch of brush on the outside, trying to clean up some logs, but it's a great spot to be. I love it. Very, very peaceful, and it's great. Got my coffee, coming up to the pit here now. We'll get the tractor unloaded and we'll be ready to rock and roll. One of the things that will be happening today is we got a brand new Milwaukee M18 16-inch chainsaw with a 12 amp hour battery. We're gonna break that in for the first time today and see how she works. Father's getting ready to go cut some logs right now, so I'm gonna get situated and see how it works. What do you think? Is the cutter all right?
Yeah, maybe I have to cut her back to here. I want that messy tape.
That Milwaukee chainsaw is doing some work right now, boy. We're probably going a bit through about 12, about 16. We're going through about 14 inches. That's doing the trick, though. Good job, Milwaukee. Not as fast as a gas-powered chainsaw, but it did the trick. Wow.
8 feet, but it's pretty twisty.
10-inch log there. And those are the small ends.
That may have to get a little bit cut off. Maybe, yeah, we get an 8 foot out of that one.
Yeah.
This one here, that's just an old jerk.
That just got caught up in it.
Caught up.
Yeah. The battery dying?
Yeah, move. Railside firewood. This is just stuff that falls along the trail. Each year we go back and try to clean it up. But after Fiona, we got a lot more trailside to clean up.
All right, finished for the day. I really wish I would start taking before and after photos or videos, because huge difference from what this section of the field looked like before with all the fallen trees. I guess you'll see there's a little bit from the drone footage, and of course my drone is dead, so I can't do it again. But that being said, we got a couple loads of lumber out, some for firewood, some for actual milling up to make strapping, 2x4s, 2x6, whatever we can get out of it. Got the tractor loaded up, and that little Milwaukee M18 chainsaw was the main thing we used all day for cutting anywhere from 2-inch to 3-inch, or 2-inch to 12-inch boards, and we've only used one bar. Of course, we didn't use a lot. I'd say we probably cut 35 logs, maybe. Cut like a champ. It's not as fast as a gas-powered one, but it worked great. Right there. I love it. I love it. It's something else. It's kind of hard to see from this angle, but right over here, I piled up all the loose stuff that was in amongst all this tall grass. I drove through it, raked it all up, got what I could, and then way down over there, there was a pile, I don't know, probably 2 cord of lumber there that we piled up, put on the trailer. My father took home to cut up into firewood for next winter. Anyways, I'm gonna finish cleaning up, put all my chainsaw, well, not my chainsaws, put all the chainsaws back in my truck and head out. This was a fun day. I'm hoping to do a lot more like this. Winter coming, maybe not as much playing around in the woods. But if you want to see more, watch more of me just driving around a tractor, cleaning stuff up, or just anything outdoorsy wise, make sure to subscribe, follow, check her out. Have a good one.